name is Abith. I am an art teacher living in Portland, Maine, and I'm going to show you how to make bendable figures out of pipe cleaners. So you can use any color you want for this, and you only need 2 pipe cleaners. So take out 2 pipe cleaners, leave them evenly layered together like this. Find your center point with your fingers, and then gather the pipe cleaners together evenly with your other hand and twist a little loop into the pipe cleaners to make a head. All right, you're going to pull 2 of those 4 ends up to make hands, or to make arms, and then you're going to twist about 1 inch down on the remaining 2 ends to make a body. And then you're going to fold in these arms to make them a bit more proportional. And you're going to twist those extra little ends around right below the head. And then you can do one last little twist on the end to put some hands on the end of those arms. And now that you have this little person, you can bend them however you want. You can make them be running by bending the legs. You can bend the arms however you'd like. You can make them excited and cheering. You can really do whatever you want, and you can make as many as you want because they're so simple. My name is Abith, and I just showed you how to make bendable figures out of pipe cleaners.